Well, we got the motor just about put together. We'll be going in. Well, we will be going in. That's the next step after I crank it. Everything is looking good on it. Yep. Looking pretty decent for 406, 30 over. Most people don't know what a 400 is. I don't know if you can see the numbers on it. Those are the 400 numbers. It's 30 over. That's the way we do it. Same color as the car, the block. And this is the inside. It's finished. Wire system, everything back in it except for, wipe the dust off of it a little bit. Yeah, I got a little dust on it. But it's getting there. This is the hood. I painted the same color up under the hood of the car. This is the color of the car. That's the color of the hood. This is the trans back here. Still gotta do a little bit of different minor stuff on it, painting the little stuff black when rebuilt. And like I said, everything in it gonna be turnkey cranked like new. All underneath is clean. This is the wing that I put on there. It's a different type of wing with a brake light on the back. I gotta finish that up. The car do have a new top. I showed it before. You just go on YouTube under Tony's Cars, and you will find out what color the top is. It's a nice color. This is Showtime. Brother Joe called it. That's the big block over there. I gotta put it in Showtime till I get my LS done. Take a little time, a little bit of money. That's the console box in there. It's probably reflecting back, but that's the console box. All done up nice. Same color. Been dyed. Go back before you hit your head on that. Go back out of here. Watch your head. I'll be out there in 1 minute, little mama.